Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something exciting. How to get a new Apple Card in 2025. If you're an Apple fan looking to level up your financial game with seamless integration, better rewards, and enhanced security features, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, the Apple Card has evolved for 2025 with new perks like higher cashback on everyday purchases and even more eco-friendly materials. But before you jump in, make sure you meet the basic requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid US address, and a good credit score. Apple might have streamlined this with eye-based checks, so it's quicker than ever. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. It's free and super straightforward. Once you're in, look for the Apple Card section and tap Apply Now. You'll be prompted to enter some personal details like your social security number and income info. Don't worry, it's all encrypted for your security. Next, verify your identity. Apple uses advanced facial recognition or Touch ID to confirm it's really you, making the process faster and more secure than traditional bank applications. After that, submit your application and wait for approval, which could take just minutes thanks to 2025's automated systems. Once approved, you'll get a virtual card instantly in your Wallet app. To get the physical one, if you want it, Apple might offer optional titanium delivery, expected in a few days. Activate it right away and start enjoying benefits like daily cash rewards and easy payment tracking. A few quick tips. Link it to your Apple Pay for contactless shopping, keep an eye on your spending through the app's dashboard, and remember to pay on time to build your credit. Oh, and with 2025 updates, you might even see personalized offers based on your habits. There you have it. Getting an Apple Card in 2025 is simple, secure, and rewarding. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your favorite Apple feature? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.